In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download and install PyCharm on your Windows laptop or PC. Just go to any browser, then search for JetBrains, then press enter, and here you can see JetBrains, essential tool for software developer and teams. Just click here and it will take you to this page, and if you go down here you can see PyCharm or Python. So click on this PyCharm option, then it will take you to this page, and I will also give this link in the description. So right now we'll just click on this download option, and there you can see we have a download option, and this is a free trial for 30 days. If we just go down, you will see this PyCharm community edition, and this is totally free. So we are going to download this option. Just look for PyCharm community edition. Okay, so we are going to click on this download option, and if you click on it, it will show you Windows different version. So I am going to keep it this version and click on download, and this will download a exe file, and this file size is around 467 MB. This will take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video, and here you can see the download is complete. So right now you just need to double click on this exe file. So I'll just double click here, then here we need to click on next, then it will ask where you want to install PyCharm. I'll keep the default location, then click on next and just choose this option, PyCharm community edition. Also make sure that you add bin folder to the path, then also choose those as well. Just select all those, then click on next, and just select the JetBrains from here, then click on install. So it will start installing PyCharm. So this again takes some time. Right now again I will just fast forward the video, and there you can see the installation is complete. So if you want, you can reboot now, or we can reboot it later. Just check this on, then click on finish, and here you will see PyCharm community edition. So you just need to double click here, then you need to confirm, then click on continue, then click on don't send, and we can just skip the import from here for Visual Studio Code, and there you can see it will open the PyCharm over here. So if you want, you can open any project from here, and here you can see the create button. You can now click on create. It will create a project over here. There you can see. So this is how you can download and install PyCharm. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.